Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and connectivity so the backup won't fail mid-process. First, plug the phone in or confirm battery is above 50% and join a strong Wi-Fi network. Slow mobile data can stall uploads. Next, sign into your primary cloud account and check available storage. If you're near the limit, free or buy space now. Once done, open your phone's backup settings to start. This ensures apps, contacts, photos, and system settings are captured safely. Now you handle the complex, detailed items. For Android, enable Google Backup for apps, SMS, and settings. For iPhone, run an encrypted iCloud or local iTunes backup so health and passwords are preserved. Next, sync photos and videos to cloud storage and copy a second local archive to your PC or an external drive, because cloud restores can miss large files. Also export 2FA recovery codes and password manager vaults. Once finish by verifying your backups thoroughly, open the cloud or local backup, confirm file lists and recent timestamps, and test restore previews when possible. Once you're confident, sign out of accounts and remove device encryption keys so the reset is clean. Start the factory reset, then perform a restore and watch for errors. If something goes wrong, first retry with the local encrypted backup or alternate computer. Make sure you have your recovery codes and device logs handy to diagnose permission or network failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.